Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your LG TV as an alarm clock. So it turns on at a specific time each day. So let's go to settings, click it. Then let's go to settings here, click that. And wait for this to load, go to general. Go to system now. Then go to time and timer. Then we can go down to timers. Then we have the option for power on timer. Set the TV turn on at an automatically set time. So let's go to this. Turn on the power on timer. So it says you must set input and channel in order to activate on timer. So we have to go down to input. And we have to choose the input. Maybe I'll turn on my PlayStation 5 or something like that. So we got the input and the timer repeat. And we got to choose the days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe we were doing this 5 days a week. So I think I can just go back to your TV. Maybe you got like a TV channel or a TV box. Then we should be able to turn this on. You must set input and channel in order to, so we got to put the timer, the specific channel. So let's go to this. We got antenna. I don't have an antenna on here anymore, so maybe that's an issue. But we can go to one of these channels, like a local news channel or something like that. See if we can turn it on now. Boom, then we can. And then we can choose the time. Let's do, I don't know, maybe like 6:50 a.m. would be a good time for most people. So we can just put this time here and then go back. So this will be 10 minutes before the news in the morning, I guess. And then we get the volume down here. So we might want to increase this a little bit so we actually wake up. We can wake up to the weather channel or something each day, which would actually be really convenient. So we got this set. Then we can go to the power off timer and we can do the same thing. We can just have it turn off, I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes later at 7 a.m. Maybe we get up and go in the shower or something like that and we forget about the TV. Just click the days you want it to repeat. Boom, so my TV is going to turn on at 6:50 and turn off at 7 o'clock each day. Monday through Friday. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.